Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download your statement of earnings from Fiverr. This is essential for keeping track of your freelance income, managing your finances, and preparing for tax season. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Fiverr dashboard, where you can access all your account features and settings. Now look at the top menu bar on your screen. You'll see several options displayed there. Click on My Business, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Earnings. This section is where Fiverr consolidates all your financial information, making it easy to track your revenue and manage your freelance business. Once you're in the Earnings section, direct your attention back to the top menu. Here you'll need to click on Financial Documents. This is the area where Fiverr stores all your important financial records, including invoices and earning statements that you might need for bookkeeping or tax purposes. In the Financial Documents section, you'll see the Statement of Earnings option. Navigate to it and click on Choose Date Range. This feature allows you to customize exactly which period you want to review, giving you flexibility in how you organize your financial records. A drop-down menu will appear showing different time periods. Click on the Month Period drop-down, then select your preferred month from the list. This lets you narrow down your statement to a specific time frame that's relevant to your needs. Right beside the month selector, you'll notice another drop-down menu for the year. Click on it and select your preferred year. This combination of month and year ensures you're pulling the exact statement you need for your records. Now, I don't have any income recorded yet, so my statement will be empty, but the process remains the same regardless of your earning status. The important thing is knowing how to access and download these documents whenever you need them. Finally, click Download Statement. Fiverr will generate your statement based on the date range you selected and download it directly to your device. You can then save it, print it, or use it for whatever financial tracking or reporting you need. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download your statement of earnings from Fiverr. This simple process ensures you always have access to your financial records whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.